In this video, I will be showing you how much this channel has generated in AdSense revenue in the last 30 days. Before I go into the video, I would like to explore the other monetization options of this channel. So this channel has a link to its email. There are several factors that influences the AdSense revenue of a channel. But for the purpose of this video, I'll be choosing two major factors. The first factor is the number of views this channel got in the last 30 days, while the second factor is the average RPM. Because this channel is an automotive channel, I'll be choosing the RPM of $5. In the last 30 days, this channel got 1.620 million views. The next step is dividing 1.6 million views by 1000 views, then multiplying the result by the average RPM of $5, which is $8,100 in the last 30 days. You can always say it's 8,100 pounds because this channel is domiciled in the UK. This is the end of the video. Until the next one. Peace.